This month, the Virtual Productions team had several exciting new video releases. First up is episode 3 of the Technical Institute show. In this episode, the team tackles some of the common myths surrounding RV waste systems and shares practical tips on how to manage them effectively. They also cover tank sensors, proper waste system maintenance, and even have a memorable run-in with the campsite raccoon along the way. Next, the Easy Out Couch video library received several new additions. These videos cover operation and installation procedures as well as a variety of component replacement processes, giving users the information they need to keep their furniture functioning properly. Finally, Mark takes you through some helpful Solera awning know-how, including techniques to improve wire channeling and troubleshooting tips for resolving power-related issues. These videos provide practical guidance for diagnosing and correcting common awning concerns. You can find all these videos on the Lippert main YouTube channel, as well as the Lippert Technical Institute channel. Now, let's check in with Mark to see what's new in technical publications.
Thanks, Jason. This month, the Technical Publications team has released several new documents to help users with installation, operation, troubleshooting, and service procedures. First is the Electric Through-Frame Center Drive Slide-Out Owner's Manual. This guide walks users through the installation, operation, and troubleshooting of the center drive slide-out system, providing the information needed to keep the system performing at its best. Next, get greased up with the RV Bearing Kit's Grease and Oil Seals Aftermarket Manual. This guide covers the procedural know-how behind bearings, bearing cups, grease seals, and the installation procedures, making it a valuable resource for anyone performing axle or hub service. Finally, we've released the Idler Hub Assemblies Aftermarket Manual as well, and this document includes detailed and exploded diagrams that will show exactly how the hub assembly is put together, making service and maintenance procedures easier to understand and perform. You can find all of these resources and many more on the Lippert support site. Now let's check in with Lauren and see what's new in the classroom.
Thanks, Mark. I am happy to share some upcoming in-person training sessions for both RV owners and technicians. For RV owners traveling to the Hershey Show, we have 2 one-day RV owner schools taking place in the area on September 16th and 17th. Both days feature the same schedules, so attendees can choose the date that works best for them. If you've been thinking about attending one of these events, this is a great opportunity to jump in. We'll also be hosting our final RV owner school of 2026 in Billings, Montana on October 13th. This event has more of a relaxed Q&A format, giving attendees the chance to learn directly from industry experts and get answers to questions about their specific RVs. For RV technicians, we have several upcoming seminars, including Hershey on September 15th, Billings on October 14th through the 15th, Salt Lake City on October 27th, and Boise, Idaho on October 29th. If hands-on training is more your style, we also offer a 2.5-day technician service school at our Indiana facility, with sessions coming up in October and November. This immersive program recreates real-world scenarios and provides practical experience you can apply in the field. And for technicians looking to take the next step in their careers, be sure to explore our qualification program. After completing the online learning requirements, you will be invited to an exclusive in-person testing event. Those who successfully pass earn recognition as a qualified technician and are featured on our qualified technician map. Our next testing event will take place this December, so now is a great time to get started. These are just a few highlights from this last month and for what is coming up here at the Technical Institute. From our engaging YouTube channels to the comprehensive online learning platform of our Technical Institute and our ever-helpful support site, we've got you covered. Each resource is thoughtfully designed to inspire, educate, and empower. Whether you're just starting your RV journey or you're a seasoned technician, there's something valuable for everyone. Don't forget to join us next time as we explore our latest releases. We look forward to seeing you there.